In this video, we're gonna see how to create our own PDF editor, and that too will be running on our local host. So consider this the PDF editor that we have, and this editor has 50 plus tools. You consider here we have huge amount of tools, and that too is running on our local host. You consider here we have the merge a PDF, we can split a PDF, we can rotate a PDF, and we can also convert the HTML to a PDF, Markdown to a PDF, and we also have the advanced features like adding a signature to the PDF, extracting images from the PDF, and we also have the OCR recognition. That means you can upload a handwritten PDF, and the OCR recognition, what it will do is it will make the text selectable. The handwritten text will be selectable. That means you can just copy and paste the text normally how you be a digital text. This is the features of using the PDF editor that is hosted on your local host. That means now you don't have to go to the any third party websites like Adobe Acrobat DC or I Love PDF to make any PDF changes. You can use this own PDF editor. You can see that it is running on our local host. That means the PDF is only saved on your local server. It won't save on any other server. It is located only in your own system. So let us see how to get this PDF editor that is running on our local host. Let's get started. You can see that when we go to the Adobe Acrobat DC, and the pricing of this Adobe Acrobat is 600 per month for Adobe Standard and 1050 per month for Acrobat DC. Consider this the charges they asking for a Adobe Premium for 1 month. But in this video, we're gonna see how to create our own PDF editor, and we can run it using a Docker. That the PDF editor that we're gonna use in this video is the Stirling PDF. So when we Google the Stirling PDF, here you can see here we have the website. Just head over to this website, stirlingpdf.com. Consider the self-hosted PDF application, and we have 50 plus tools that is locally running securely on our own system. You consider here we have the 50 plus tools that we have seen earlier of the video, right? We have the overlay PDF, we have the comparing a PDF, we can also add a page number to the PDF, we can add a stamp to the PDF, we can also remove a password, add a password, we can add a watermark to our password, we can convert a website to a PDF, and they provide all the tools that you need when you access it on the online websites like I Love PDF or Adobe Acrobat DC. And the cool thing here is that here we also have the OCR recognition. That means the handwritten text can be recognized, and you can make the text selectable. Normally when you go to the I Love PDF and asking for the OCR recognition, so let me show you the actual pricing of the OCR recognition and I Love PDF. You consider when we go to the I Love PDF OCR recognition, consider the pricing of this I Love PDF OCR recognition is consider 200 per month premium. On the basic, they don't provide the OCR recognition. On the basic, you can just do the normal operations, but on the premium only you can do the OCR recognition. But on this open source PDF editor, you can also perform the OCR recognition. So let us see how to install this PDF editor locally. Or if you want to access this PDF editor online, you consider here we have this stirlingpdf.io. You can just head over to this website. You consider this is the online version of the tool that we're going to install in this video. You can just head over to this website, and you can access all the tools that we mentioned in this video. You consider here we have all the tools that we have seen, 50 plus tools. We have the remove your password, add your password, and the only difference is that it is hosted and it is online. You consider here we have the OCR recognition. But if you want to install it locally, you need to have a Docker. So let's get started now. We need to install the Docker now. So just open a new tab and type Docker desktop. So make sure you download the Docker for your operating system. I'm using the Linux, so let me download the Docker for Linux. So if you are using the Windows, make sure you download the Windows version. You can see that I have already installed. Let me open up the terminal, and when we type the Docker, you can see that we don't have any images. When we type the Docker ps, you can see that we don't have any container. So make sure you install the Docker, then continue watch the video. So we have to install the Stirling PDF, right? To do that, just type the following commands: docker pull froodle, that will be triple O froodle. So let me type triple O froodle -s slash hyphen slash s hyphen PDF, and we're gonna download the latest version. So make sure you type this command. This will download the Stirling PDF now. You consider it starts downloading the PDF editor for now. Just give it a few minutes. Once it is successfully downloaded, we can good to go. You consider it is extracting the contents for now. Just give you a few minutes. Now the Docker image has been pulled successful. Let me clear the screen, and when we type the Docker images, you consider here we have this one image, frugal uh, Stirling PDF. So we have to run the Docker run, and we're gonna run on the port 8080, and we're gonna map it on the Docker image as well. And the name of the image is the frugal slash s hyphen PDF. So make sure you type the Docker image name here, frugal forward slash s hyphen PDF, and press enter. You can see that it will start running the Stirling PDF server. You consider here we got the logo Stirling PDF. What we can do now is we can go to the browser and we can access it from the localhost. Consider now the localhost has been started successfully. Consider here we have the server logs. What we can do now is we can go to the browser now. So make sure you got this icon similar to this. Then only the Sterling PDF server has been started. Let me go to the localhost port number 8080, not 8000, 8080. Consider here we have the Sterling PDF. So it is asking us to make analytics, so we can enable the analytics now. You consider here we have the 50 plus tools that is running on our local host. We have all the options. We can crop a PDF, we can extract pages from the PDF, we can merge a PDF, we can also organize a PDF that is shuffling the pages, and we can also remove pages if you want, and we can also rotate a pages. So this is the all the tools about the organizing, and we also have a converting to PDF. Consider we can convert to HTML to PDF, we have image to PDF, and we can also convert the PDF to CSV, PDF to HTML. We have all the tools that you normally use online. You consider we can add a password, we can change the permission, we can remove certificate sign, we can add a signed, and we can also add image, we can extract images. And the cool thing here is the OCR recognition. You consider here we have the OCR scans. Let me click on that. So we're gonna upload a handwritten PDF to this. Let me click on drag and drop option, and I'm gonna select a handwritten PDF now. Let me go to the desktop and let me select my PDF that has the handwritten text. You consider I have selected this PDF here. So let me select this. So let me show you what the contents is inside this PDF. Let me go to the downloads. You consider this the handwritten PDF that I have uploaded. This PDF has 7 pages, and we have uploaded this PDF, and the language in this PDF is English, and the OCR mode. So we can select the OCR mode as well. So ignore pages that have interactive text on them. So we're gonna force the OCR now. So just select the first option, and you can click on process PDF with OCR. So once you process the PDF, the text will be selectable. So let me show you what I mean. Consider we got the OCR recognized PDF now. What we can do is we can select any text and we can just copy and paste. You consider now the text has been copyable, and we can copy this text and we can paste it here. Since the PDF is not that accurate, we have to upload a high quality PDF. That's why we got this error. You consider the text is now selectable. What we can do is we can copy this and we can paste it normally. Consider the text is now pastable. You can see we have copied the angel investor and we have successfully pasted the angel investor as digital text. We have copied the text from the handwritten text and we have pasted the angel investor. This is the power of using the OCR recognition. So let me close this and we can explore more tools now. Consider when we go to the localhost now, consider we can start explore more PDF. So make sure you explore all the options here. In this video, I'm not gonna go through all the options. Here we have 50 plus options. So let me select the add password now. So I'm gonna select a PDF, select the Morgan PDF now, and we can add a password to our PDF now. So let me add the password, owner password as well as the user password, and we can set the permissions. Prevent assembly of document, we can select prevent printing, prevent modification. We can select all the options now. I'm gonna select all the options and I'm gonna click on encrypt. Consider now we got the PDF that has the password encrypted. So when we type the password, the PDF will be open, and if you type the password incorrectly, the PDF will not be open. You consider here we have the PDF, and when we type the password correctly, the PDF will be open. So let me close this. This is the power of using the area password. Let me go back and start exploring the other options now. And the cool thing here is that here you can see all the tools are available from the local host only, and we can also merge a PDF here. When we click on merge, what we can do is we can upload to the PDF and we can merge. Let me go back, and we can also convert a PDF to Markdown, PDF to Word, PDF to XML, and we can also extract images from the PDF. We can see the extract images. We can select the PDF and we can select the image format as well, and We also have the auto split pages. What we can do is we can upload the PDF and we can split the PDF pages. So consider we can upload a PDF and we can split the pages now. So let me go back. So make sure you feel free to explore all the options here. We also have a compress option, detect split images, overlay video, pipeline, repair. If the PDF is corrupted, we can also repair that. So this is the repair option and we can also split PDF. And here at the top you can see we have a option called compress. So let me click on that. If the PDF size is too large, we can compress now. You consider I'm gonna select a PDF now. So let me select this PDF. You consider the size of this PDF is 9 megabytes. So let's see how does it compress now. So I'm gonna select the compression level to 5 because 1 to 3 is PDF compression, 4 to 6 is image compression, 7 to 9 is intense image compression. So I'm gonna select the 5 now and just click on compress. Originally the size of the PDF is 9 megabytes. Let's see the size of the PDF is. You consider now the compressed PDF size is 2 megabytes only, that is 1.8 MB, and the original PDF size is 8.9, accurately 9.8. You consider the handwritten text is not decomposed. Consider the quality is not decreased, only the size of the PDF is decreased. This is the power of using the compress option, and we also have other options, multi-tool. So you can select multiple tools at the same time by grouping them together. So I'm not gonna explore this because the video length will be huge. So make sure you feel free to explore on your own. We can also edit a PDF. When we click on edit a PDF, we consider we can also draw a PDF. You consider here we have the draw option. We can select this and we can draw on our PDF. Consider now the PDF has been drawable. So let me go back. So yeah, this is how you create your own PDF editor. That too will be running on our local host. That means you don't have to go to any external websites like the Adobe Acrobat or the iLo PDF. You can perform all the PDF operation on your own self, on your own computer, on your own local host. So yeah, this is for this video and I will continue in the next one.